So I wanted to do another unboxing video of another pair of Tadeevo I got. Just came in the mail. I placed this order, I think it was 4 days ago, and it's already in. So I know one of the biggest complaints was a couple years ago when I started wearing them was that the shipping, because they were coming from overseas, that the shipping was way too slow. They've obviously increased their customer service because they come very, very quick now. So that's everything. So immediately what I noticed is, if you saw the other video, the box is different. I don't know if it's because of the type of shoes I got, because the box is usually like that and like that. So this is definitely different. So this is the model that I got, or the shoes that I got. So that way, if I wear like dress slacks with like a suit or something like that, that was my reasoning for getting these. So right off the bat, these are about 3 times better looking in person than in the pictures that they provide on the website. I was a little iffy on the website, but these do look a lot nicer. Same thing as the sneakers, just slightly more stiff because these are all leather and not mesh. But look at, very, very flimsy still and super soft, but they just will stay like in shape, keep the shape. So that's pretty much it as far as these shoes go. Let's see if there's anything inside. Oh, but yeah, so there wasn't even any stuffing inside, so they keep their shape real well. But very, very, very thin, very soft inside. Definitely looking for the and the other thing I'm noticing right now is the insole is different than the inside of the sneakers or the other shoes that I saw. I forget what those were called, but definitely a lot different. So I'll try it on real quick. So believe it or not, so I saw a couple other reviews for the other Tadeevo shoes, and they were excellent reviews. But one thing I noticed in the one thing they never really talk about is running in them. And then one of the things that came up was in the comments, can you run in them without socks? I can attest to you that I did try that without socks, and I do not like wearing socks with Tadeevo anymore. They are very, very comfortable, gives you more of that barefoot feel. And right off the bat, I immediately love these. And these are without wearing socks. So let me see if I can get an angle, what it looks like on my foot. But keep in mind, I don't have any socks on, and I just slid these on. So hopefully it'll show in the video what these look like. But this is without socks on. But definitely right off the bat, just very, very, very comfortable and soft to walk on. I love it. So I'll test them out and see what happens.